Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Cyberpunk not launching, not opening. So I know it's very annoying, it's actually very frustrating. You just want to try this game and you suddenly you are not able to try the game because of this issue. And I'm gonna show you a way to fix this problem, like a couple of ways. Make sure you watch this till the very end and try all the methods I'm gonna show you in this video. Now I can't guarantee you if you try all the methods it's gonna work 100%, and I can't guarantee you that a specific method will work as well. So that's what I'm saying, try all the methods and see which one will work for you. So now let's jump right into the video, and the first method I always suggest to everyone to try when they can't open a game or the game is not opening, and partially that's just based off of my experience that I've dealt with problems such as the game is not starting, and as well as maybe FPS drops, but usually games errors related to games. So, and partially is related to Windows not being up to date, and you still have here tons of updates that are available. So make sure you click on download and install, and there's another way here to check if there's any drivers available is to click on advanced options and then optional updates, and then here look if there's any driver updates available. Make sure you click on check and click on download and install. It's very easy, but it's very useful and really important to do so. Okay, and you can also go to settings. This is sorry, I clicked on services. You can also go to settings. You can also check here settings, and here you can also go to storage and temporary files and just delete this. This is not really but really important. Okay, I mean it's important, but it's not really related to crashing. It's just a side tip that you can do. Okay, and now the next step is to go to device manager, and here make sure you update your display adapters. Right click and click on update drivers. Okay, make sure you're doing this. And now the next step, the next method to fix this problem is here. What you have to do here is to install DirectX end user runtime installer. Okay, you just have to click on download. Very easy. And after you install DirectX, what you have to do is to install Microsoft Visual C++. It's very easy. Scroll down, click on this link, open and install. And the third link that you have to install now is only for those people that have a NVIDIA card. Otherwise you don't have to do it, obviously. Just click on download here, download now, and this utility will install all the updates or drivers that you don't have and you need, and it will do it automatically for you. Okay, pretty good tool. And for AMD user, you can also use this tool. Click on download now, auto detect, very easy and very useful. All right, and now the next step, also by the way I'll leave the links in the description of this video. You can also right click on Steam and properties, and make sure you check here runtime this program as administrator, and you can also check disable full screen optimization, and you can do the same thing to the game. Okay, go to Cyberpunk and right click properties, and here compatibility, and here just check both of these. Okay, and now the next step is what you have to do is also you can scan with the command that will repair any Windows system files. Okay, so you can go to CMD and you run this program as administrator, and then you will type this command. Okay, so make sure you type this command that I will write here. All right. Okay, so just enter now, write this command and then enter. This will scan your computer and will repair any Windows system files. Okay, exactly this. And now the next method to fix this problem, you can also go to Steam, and here you can go to Cyberpunk and go to Cyberpunk, right click, select properties, local files, and here select verify integrity of software files, browse, and you can go to Cyberpunk here as well and right click on Cyberpunk game properties, and here compatibility. Make sure you also check display and run. Okay, and now make sure you restart your computer and restart your router. And I hope now after you restart your computer you don't have these problems anymore, and you can play peacefully, you can play the game, enjoy the game. So I hope that's the results. You have a good result after. That's what I hope. Thank you guys for watching now. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and take care.